What's your name?
My name is John.
Good, John. Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Great. And how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, let's get started. Please name 7 sea animals that you know.
Whale, jellyfish, manta ray, shark, jellyfish, dolphin, seahorse.
Good, perfect. What is your favorite sea animal?
Whale.
Can you tell me more about whales?
The whale is big animal on earth.
On the earth. Good. What else can you tell me about them? What color are they?
A whale is color blue
Blue and
white.
white. Good. What do they eat?
There is a small fish.
Good. And what are they good at? They good at swimming
Swimming
and
and diving.
diving. Perfect. Okay. What can you tell me about jellyfish?
Yes, the jellyfish is beautiful.
Okay. What color are they?
Is pink, yellow, red, is orange.
Good. Okay. What do they eat?
There is small fish and crab.
Perfect. What are they good at?
Good at swimming.
Excellent. Okay. What can you tell me about sharks?
Yes, the shark is dangerous.
Dangerous. What else can you tell me about them? They have many.
Teeth.
Good. Okay. What color are they?
Brown.
Gray and white. Good. Okay. What do they eat?
There is fish and salad.
Oh, good. What are they good at?
Good at swimming and diving.
Diving and hunting. Perfect. Do you like dolphins?